Joe McOwen, and our shop is Balducci's Total Car Care in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. Usually we're word of mouth, or we tried some other of the web-based type of attraction for new employees. We did everything else, Zip Recruiter, all that kind of stuff. But mostly it was word of mouth. Here we are in September, and we've been successful with acquiring 2 technicians. Patrick's is averaging somewhere between 35 and 39 hours a week. And potentially will do more based on the opportunity that we provide. The team members were certainly good technicians. I mean, we knew that. I mean, based on their backgrounds and the investment they've made in their own equipment and what they bring to the table, we knew that they possess all the talent that we're looking for. Absolutely. I think your company has definitely provided us with a great run of technicians, and Auto Shop Media I would recommend Auto Shop Media to everyone.
All right, so sir, can you tell me your name and the name of your shop and where you're located?
Sure, it's Joe McOwen, and our shop is Balducci's Total Car Care in Cherry Hill, New Jersey.
Awesome. And then what were you doing before us to try to find technicians?
Usually we're word of mouth, or we tried some other of the web-based type of attraction for new employees. We did everything else, Zip Recruiter, all that kind of stuff. But mostly it was word of mouth.
And then how did you find us?
We are an ATI member, and that was referred to you by our coach.
And then tell me, from being with us, before you were with us, about how long were you looking for a technician and weren't able to fill those spots? Because you needed to fill 3, I believe. And how long was that?
Yeah, well, we did. And I would say we started this in May, roughly April, May. And here we are in September, and we've been successful with acquiring 2 technicians and we were looking for someone specific. So it wasn't like we didn't have many applications. It's just that we were looking for a specific type of guy that his talents were there, and he was a good team player, and that's what we were looking for. And it seems like we've achieved that.
Awesome. And then can you tell me about the first gentleman you hired, Patrick, and how long has he been with you, and then how many hours is he billing roughly?
Okay, roughly, Patrick's is averaging somewhere between 35 and 39 hours a week, and potentially will do more based on the opportunity that we provide him to do it with. So with that being said, car count's been a little challenging in 2024 for many stores, and in our case as well. So technician team members were really something that I just took my time and went through the gentleman that we worked with, just trying to find the right team player. That was what it was.
Awesome. And then the second person that you just hired, what was kind of his story? You're telling me about it a little bit.
Yeah, so he was a gentleman who worked in the family business in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and since a lot of changes in our world since the pandemic, Philadelphia became a very difficult spot, and he owned that business and closed it down. When he closed it down, he tried a dealership environment. Didn't seem to be a great fit. He joined us just the other day, and so far so good. I think he's got exactly what we were looking for. Let's see how it plays out.
Awesome. And then you're saying that Patrick's a 35-hour guy. We believe this guy, let's say he's 35 hours. So yeah. Could you wrap it together and just kind of say, hey, we've hired 2 technicians through Auto Shop Media, and I think, and we're already billing 35 hours a week more, and this second guy, I think, is around another 30 hours a week for us.
I would be 100% in agreement with that. Yep, absolutely.
Can you repeat that back to me real quick? So it's your word. People don't care about what I say. People care what you say. You're the important one, sir.
Yeah. No, I'm 100%. But I'm right with you. No, I think that's accurate. I think that the team members were certainly good technicians. I mean, we knew that. I mean, based on their backgrounds and the investment they've made in their own equipment and what they bring to the table, we knew that they possess all the talent that we're looking for. The question was, what kind of guy are you? What kind of guy are you in a team environment? Are you a lone ranger, or are you part of the posse? You know what I mean? And I think that we like guys that are part of the posse, right? So it's a team effort. We always consider our our customers the number one reason why we're here every day. And if everybody subscribes to the same mentality, we're a winner. So that's it.
Awesome, great. And then, so I'm trying to get one line from you. Can you just something along the lines of, from the two technicians that were hired, we're going to bill an extra of 60 to 70 hours per week, earning us probably an extra $300,000 a year, something like that.
Yeah. So the truth is that we think there were going to be 60 to 70 plus hours a week from the two technicians that we hired. And, that, as we know, what, depending on your hourly rate, that can equate to, $500,000-$600,000 extra revenue a year. So it's a plus for sure.
Awesome. And then just to wrap up, if someone says like, hey, should I try these Auto Shop Media guys? Should I not try these Auto Shop Media guys? What would you tell them?
Absolutely. I think your company has definitely provided us with a great run of technicians. And Auto Shop Media I would recommend Auto Shop Media to everyone.